Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Today we will discuss rest of the questions of exercise 1.3 real numbers. So let's start. Now question number 2. Show that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So what is a rational number and what is an irrational number? If it is an irrational number, it can't be expressed in the form of P upon Q. So that is why first of all we will take this number as rational numbers to prove that it is an irrational number. So let 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, it can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q is not equal to 0, as well as they are co-prime numbers. Okay, so if it is in the form of P upon Q, and if we will change the value or find out the value, then what we will get? 2 plus root 5 is equal to P upon Q minus 3. So this can be written as P minus 3Q upon Q. Now if we will find out root 5, then root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q upon 2Q. Now this number is a rational number because P and Q both are integers and Q is not equal to 0, as well as P and Q are co-prime numbers. So if it is a rational number, then root 5 is also a rational number. So if root 5 is a rational number, then in the beginning we have taken 3 plus 2 root 5 P upon Q is a rational number. Okay, but it is a contradiction because root 5 is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. We have already proved root 5 is an irrational number. So if it is an irrational number, then the value which is equal to root 5, that is 3 plus 2 root 5, is also an irrational number. Now question number 3. Prove that the following are irrational. Out of these 3 questions, 1, 2 and 3, we will not do part number 3, 6 plus root 2, because we have already discussed this type of question in question number 2. Okay. So first we will start with part number 1, that is 1 upon root 2. So again in the same way we will prove, let 1 upon root 2 is a rational number that can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, as well as Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q both are co-prime numbers. Okay. Now to find out whether these are rational or irrational, we have taken this is a rational number. Now we can just make it upside down. Then we can write it as root 2 is equal to Q upon P. Okay. So if root 2 is equal to Q upon P and if P upon Q are integers, then Q upon P is also integers. So if they are integers, then they are rational numbers. And if they are rational numbers, then root 2 is also a rational number. If root 2 is a rational number, then we have already proved that root 2 is irrational. So it is a contradictory statement. If it is a contradictory statement, it means root 2 is irrational. And if root 2 is irrational, then 1 upon root 2 is also an irrational number. Now the second part, that is 7 root 5. So we have to prove that whether 7 root 5 is a rational number or irrational number. Here it is, you have to prove it is an irrational number. Again, if we will take 7 root 5 as a rational number, it can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. P and Q are integers as well as co-prime numbers. Okay. Now, if we will find out root 5, then that is equal to P upon Q, and that is 7Q. So here P and Q are both integers and they are rational numbers. If they are rational numbers, then P upon 7Q is also a rational number. So if P upon Q is a rational number, P upon 7Q is also a rational number. If P upon 7Q is a rational number, then root 5 is also a rational number. And if root 5 is a rational number, that is a contradictory statement for this question, because we have taken 7 root 5 as a rational number. Okay, but root 5 is an irrational number. Root 5 is irrational. Hence, 7 root 5 is also irrational. अगर आपको मेरा ये आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना. मैं आपके लिए ऐसे न्यू इजी ट्रिक्स वाले वीडियोस लाती रहूंगी. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.